Welcome back at Ubalde Official. Today we are going to create a Google form. What? A Google form. So welcome. Let's start. You see, this is the Google form where you should fill your first name, second name, your phone number, your birth date, your to agree or disagree, and then click on to do what? Click on submit. Yes. So now we are going to create a Google form like this. Yes, let's go start. So even if you are using a smartphone or tablet, even also laptop, you are welcome back to Ubalde Official. Let's start. Open your browser or internet browser and search forms.google.com. this one. You should also see on the pinned comment. Link also was pinned in the comment. Then press enter. After the press enter, you will access your dashboard. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account in that browser. And then you see here here you should create docs, sheet, slides, video, forms, and what, but today you're going to create a form. Yes. So when you reach here, you will click on new. But if you are using smartphone, you need to convert your smartphone into PC by going on the right corner 3 dots and click on, then select desktop site. Then you will get the screen look like this, and then you come here on the blank form, then create new. Then you will see the untitled form. You will, this is the title of your form. For example, here we have Lego Google account. This is the title of form. Then you come here and then say, for example, Google, okay, contact informations. Yes, contact informations. Then description. You say description, it is this is and what. Okay, this is form of the students that study on the Ubalde Official Ubalde Tech Academy. Yes, Academy. You should also add the link. You should make it italic. You should do and what. You should put many things. Yes, and then you should stretch or what, and then so this is the untitled question. It is about how this is the question or the, for example, first name. This is the way you put the like this. You see, this is your first name. This is the answer. So this is the question. This is the answer here. And you click here. You type pure. For example, first name. Yes, this is the first name. Your first name, and then here you choose how the short answer, how the answer will come. The answer is it short answer, is it paragraph, is it multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, and file upload, line scale, rating, multiple choice, grid, checkbox, date, time, or what. Yes, and then come here and then click on this icon of add question, look like plus icon, then click okay, then like second name or the second name, and then continue. But if you want that the to fill the name, it is mandatory use this asterisk or the start star. You click on required, yes, required, or close it. If you see it is you close it, means that it is an option. They should submit without fill it, but enable it to as mandatory. Then add question, put phone number, sorry, email mail address, and then so yeah, you should publish, but you cannot publish that now. Let me set the settings. So we should say we want to add this picture above one. Sorry, we want to make sure that our Go form is fed by known users, means that person who have an email address on Google account can fill this form. Even if you don't have that Google account, should not fill this form, means that in order to prevent anonymous people to fill this form. So you come here in the setting here, and then you scroll down, scroll. You come here and the response. You come here and then choose collect email address, and then put the verified address. Yes, verified address means that you must be signed in order to enter your answers in a Google form or your those contacts, in order to know who submitted these details. Also, though, the person who is filling your form should get response immediately on the Gmail. You should come here and click on always, or choose when requested. The submitter can request his or her copy of full answers. So the best choice is always. When you fill something, you should get the copy of on their email, and allow the editing. The sender or the person who submit the response can be the make a mistake. So here they should do edit or update those information. You should click on allow response editing. Response can be changed after being submitted. Click and turn on it. Then you should set that no one Gmail account can submit many contact information or can submit form the 2 times. You click here and enable it. This is the validations. Yes, and here we should start filling. So then you click on publish. When you click on publish, means that everyone got this link. We really have to fill this form. Then click OK. Then you click OK. Here you get copy response link. This is, you should make it shorten, and then click on copy. After click on copy, this link I'm going to open it in another Gmail. Yes, these are names here, and open try to open it. Yes, you see, this is a contact information. This is the form of the student that study in the Ubalde Tech Academy, and this is the record Ubalde Rwanda TV. We are going to image will be included. Yes, we must click here, and then first name Ubalde official, and then here the email address Ubalde official 1@gmail.com, and then click on submit. You see your response. You should now add it, and also on our Gmail account we received the copy of sender. This is here Gmail. We received the sender copy. This is yes, this is, thanks for filling out this form, contact information, and this is our contact information. And here also you see we have the response. What or response? This is how this is the response who submitted our you see the person name, official email address, and what. So if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell in order you get every video, every new video, and every new trick from zero to the IT skills. I'm the digital content creator. Yes, bye bye, God bless you, but remember to share with your friends. Yes.